Hello, my name is Andrew Carter, and I'm the camp director for Camp McLean. I want to thank you for taking the time to join us, and while we all wish we were at Chesterbrook right now, we hope that these videos can serve as a way for you to stay connected with Camp McLean. In today's video, we will have art with the assistant camp director Lorian, followed by Miss Christina reading one of her favorite books for our tots, and Coach Ben will close us out with some fitness. So what are we waiting for? Let's have some fun.
Hi, I'm Lorian. I'm one of the directors here at Camp McLean. Today we're going to do a really fun project called Dragonfly Flyer. Here are some of the items that you'll need for today's project. Some paint, paintbrushes, water, whatever you'd like to put your paint on, stick from outside, pipe cleaner if you'd like, any accessories that you'd like to add to your flyer, scissors, and glue. I'm going to use a hot glue gun, but it's probably safer for you to use white glue. And then the most important is your maple seeds. Sometimes they're hard to find, a little bit tricky. You could take a nature walk with an adult at your house. If you can't find maple seed pods, try and find some leaves or something from nature that you could make your flyer with. Okay, and those are the items that you'll need for today's project. Okay, so now we're going to sort through our maple pod seeds and see which ones are less broken. That'll be great for the project. This is a good one. So pick out 4 that you like. I think I'll do this. So, organize it how you would like. I think I'm going to do this shape. And then the next part we're going to do is paint the wings. Alright guys, while our wings are drying, let's talk about our wand. I found this stick outside. You can use any size stick, and this is what I have for mine. And if you want it just plain, you can have it plain. I'm actually going to wrap a pipe cleaner around it just for fun. This is what I had in the office, so I'm just going to wrap it around like so. Really easy. You can glue it down if you'd like. I'm just gonna wrap it really tight. So, just like that. And now we should be ready to glue our wings on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do my top set first. So I'm gonna put some hot glue down. Bottom wings. Okay, so once you have your wings in place, let it dry. It does take white craft glue to dry a little bit longer, so be patient. Let it dry. And this is what you should have ready. If you want to add little antennas, I found a little twig here. I'm just gonna use some scissors to cut it in half, like so, and glue that on for its little antennas. You can get creative and use anything that you find outside that you would like. Okay, so that's in place, and this is done. If you'd like it just like that, I'm just gonna add a little sparkly pom-pom just for fun, and I'm gonna just put it here. Maybe we'll pretend it's its head. Okay. Hey guys, here's my finished dragonfly. It's all set. You can make different sizes. I can't wait to see what you guys have made. And once you're done, you can post them on McLean Community Center's Facebook, or if you post your pictures anywhere else, use hashtag Camp McLean 2020. Can't wait to see what you guys made, and stay tuned for other art projects.
That was fun. We now have Miss Christina for story time.
Hi friends, my name is Miss Christina, and today we're going to read The Little Mouse, The Red Ripe Strawberry, and The Big Hungry Bear. Hello, little mouse. What are you doing? Oh, I see. Are you going to pick that red ripe strawberry? But little mouse, haven't you heard about the big hungry bear? Oh, how that bear loves red ripe strawberries. The big hungry bear can smell a red ripe strawberry a mile away. Especially one that has just been picked. Uh-oh. Boom, boom, boom. The bear will tromp through the forest on his big, hungry feet and sniff, sniff, sniff to find that strawberry. Or how it is disguised. Quick, there's only one way in the whole wide world to save a red, ripe strawberry from the big, hungry bear. Cut it in two. Share half with me. And we'll both eat it all up. Yum! Now, that's one ripe strawberry the big hungry bear will never get. The end.
That was a great story. Next, we have Coach Ben on fitness.
Hey guys, Coach Ben here, and this is my trusty sidekick, Professor G. Today's activity will be the broad jump. Now, the broad jump is an exercise to test how explosive your lower body is. But before we begin, let's jump into some warm-ups. Back kicks will be the first warm-up today. When you're ready, move toward the finish line, lifting your heels up to your back. Next is the side shuffle. When you're ready, move toward the finish line, shuffling your feet to your inside shoulder. And finally, the 10-yard sprint. When you're ready, sprint from the start line to finish line. What you need for the broad jump is a tape measure and sidewalk chalk. You will also need an open space for this activity. Let's begin by marking your start line, where you will begin every jump. Next, measure about 5 to 7 feet in your play area. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart at the start line. Whenever you are ready, bend your knees and jump out as far as you can, using your arms to push you forward. After each jump, measure distance in relation with the back of the heel. For example, if you jump and your toes land on 3 feet 6 inches, but your heels land on 3 feet, then your broad jump distance is 3 feet. I want you to do this exercise at least 3 times, recording your best jump. Hope you guys had a great workout today. As always, parents, you're encouraged to join in on the fun. Be sure to post a video to McLean Community Center's Facebook page using the hashtag Camp McLean 2020. Remember to stay active for at least 60 minutes each day. Look out for more Camp McLean videos. We'll see you next time.
Special thanks to Lorian, Miss Christina, and Coach Ben for providing today's activities, and to our behind-the-scenes team. We'd love to show off how awesome you are, so please share with us your art project or fitness skills on our social media pages, with the hashtag Camp McLean 2020. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon with more activities and fun.